The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to bring a significant display upgrade, which is one of the most exciting features for 2025. This is the only flagship phone expected to have such a big change. Early rumors suggested that the S25 Ultra would have ultra-thin bezels, even thinner than the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. While some were skeptical, a reliable source has confirmed it. The S25 Ultra will have the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone, giving it more screen space and a sleek, modern look. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in several stylish color options, each with a unique combination of back covers and frames. The light blue version has a soft blue back with a silver middle frame, giving it a fresh, contemporary feel. The black version features a sleek black back and silver frame, offering a classic, professional appearance. The white model has a white back with a very light silver frame, adding a subtle, elegant touch. Finally, the gray version combines a gray back with a hint of gold and a silver frame, creating a premium, unique look. In terms of the camera setup, the S25 Ultra's rear camera design looks similar to the previous Ultra model, keeping a familiar appearance. However, there's a key difference. The camera lenses are currently covered with tape, which indicates they may not be finalized yet or could still be undergoing changes before the official release. This suggests that some features of the design are still being kept under wraps. On the front, the selfie camera design is also interesting. Unlike previous models, which had a visible notch for the front camera, the S25 Ultra hides the camera behind tape. This leads to speculation that the phone may feature a more seamless display with no interruptions for the camera. It could possibly have a hole punch design or even an under-display camera, contributing to the phone's sleek and uninterrupted look. This design change aligns with Samsung's push for a more immersive display experience. The sides of the phone are flat, unlike the curved edges of previous Ultra models. There's also a button on the side, but it's not for the camera. It's the Moonwave radio for 5G connectivity in the US version. As for the battery, the S25 Ultra will have the same 5,000 mAh battery as the previous model. It will support 45 EV fast charging for the Ultra and Plus models, while the standard S25 will support 25 W charging. While some may be disappointed, especially with competitors like OnePlus offering larger batteries, the S25 Ultra's battery life is still expected to be good. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is more energy efficient, which should help the phone last longer even with the same battery size. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in January 2025, with the official event set for January 23, though it may release a day earlier in the US. Samsung will host the event in San Francisco, similar to last year's S23 launch. In conclusion, while the S25 Ultra may not have massive changes, it does bring some exciting improvements such as thinner bezels, a more efficient chip, and better battery performance. All these updates are shaping the phone into an exciting release for 2025.